introductory. I am Vyom Jaiswal, your host for the day, and we will start with our quick introductions. So I'll introduce our team over here, and then I'll request my brothers and sisters sitting there in Malaysia to please quickly introduce yourselves. We would love to know where you live in Malaysia, what your roots are from India, and what profession are you into, if you are associated with any social or political organizations over there. And once we are done with this presentation, then we'll move on to the most important point, which is what are your expectations from this forum? So let us begin with the introduction part. So MSME and Startup Forum has Dr. Vijay Chothaiwale ji as its chief patron. He is the BJP's foreign affairs head, and he's working closely with our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. The organization was founded by Shri Manoj Shah ji, who is the founder and the president. Manoj ji has been working closely with MSME and Ministry of External Affairs. And we have seen a tremendous growth in the forum in less than almost an year. And as we move forward, I'll let you know what exactly are we up to in this in these few months. Then we have Mr. Sanjay Banerjee ji, who is a general secretary and co-founder of the forum. He runs a successful tire company. We have with us over here Shri Piyush Agarwal ji. He is a chairman, international relations, and is a financial analyst. He is also the vice president of ASSOCHAM, UP, president of Udyog Cell BJP Varanasi, president of Rotary Club Varanasi, and he is also associated with, he is the zonal chairman of Awadh Chamber of Commerce. We have with us Srimati Anar Mehta ji, and what we call as real woman empowerment. She is the global brand ambassador of our forum, and she is associated with lots of organization. She is the honorary president of Global Chamber of Commerce and Industry. She is also our president of Gujarat State, and she is the national president NRI's Council at WICI, that is Women's India Chamber of Commerce and Industry. We have with us Mohit Gogna ji, who is the director of Africa region, Kamal Chabda ji, director North America, Achla Suthar ji, who is director of Middle East, and then you have your truly yours, your direct point of contact with MSME and Startup Forum, that is me, Vyom Jaiswal. I am director Asia Pacific region. I'll request Piyush ji to quickly welcome our guests, and if you can introduce if any more members are present here over from our forum, please. Piyush ji. Piyush ji, can you hear us? Your voice is not audible. Piyush ji, your voice is not audible.
Am I audible now?
Yes, you are.
Okay. So, tell me, Vyomji. Even I couldn't listen to you. Sorry.
Oh. Was I audible to everyone else?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Piyush ji, I'd request you to welcome our guests on board quickly.
Okay. Right. Thank you, Vyomji. So, today evening we are here. It is a very important meeting between India and Malaysia. This is the first meeting we have with our MSME forum, and we are fortunate enough to have our brand ambassador Anar Mehtaji with us. She is International Brand Ambassador, and not only she is associated with our forum, as already introduced by Vyomji, she also represents UNO and many other organizations of that nature, of that level. And then we have Achla Sitaji. She is director of the Middle East. She'll be looking after that part of the Asia. And we have Vyomji with us, who will be in directly contact with you. He will be looking for the region of this part of Asia. He will be directly in contact with Malaysia and the people there. And I also welcome Mr. Pradeep Kukreja ji. He is ex-president of India-Malaysia Chamber of Commerce. Dr. Raken, he is Secretary General, SUIBA. Then Yutu Kumar, consultant and trainer. He is close to Pradeep ji. And of course, it is very good to hear that you all are working for our culture and religion over there. Mike Murugan, Director of Business Development, Falcon Containers Line. Nivas Rangavan, he is the CEO, Serapic Holding, Honorary Secretary General, Kuala Lumpur, and Selangor Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Mahesh Anandji, he is a registrar. Then Mr. Perry, life planner and online trading of wine member, Selangor Walaya Indian Business Association. And Mrs. and Mr. Puri, they are owners of ADMRK Group and Value Bazaar. Surenji, his property and private equity investment consultancy. Indiran Lachimanan, he is co-founder Navira Meditech. Murali ji, he is engineer and vegetable supplier. Then Sugantha ji works for PMU Technology and developing an e-commerce platform, of course, with Mr. U. Kumar ji. Ujjwal Mehta ji, he has many businesses of gems and restaurants. Jitesh Shah ji, he is chairman of restaurants WTF. Saundar ji, co-founder and director IAAA. And I may be missing a few names. I'm sorry, but I welcome you all in this very, you can say, very august gathering of India and Malaysia. Of course, you all are NRIs and PIOs. You represent our country in Malaysia. And we are proud that you are there representing India in such a wonderful way. And we welcome here again in India, so that together we and you can develop both the countries, Malaysia and India, the people over there and the people here. So with this short welcome, I once again call upon Vyom to do the proceedings.
I'd request Anarji to say a few words.
Yes. I'm Anar Mehta. I'm the founder of Shrishti Bharat Foundation, which empowers women, not only locally or nationally, but we promote women empowerment internationally too. That's my core. I'm also the international ambassador of MSME and Startup Forum Bharat and Gujarat State Chapter President too. I was the United Nations awardee for the contribution to the women empowerment in March 2021. It was held at Delhi. I am in the board of quite a prestigious global organization and national organizations too. And my motto of life is serve all, because I run the NGO Shrishti Bharat Foundation. My passion is women empowerment. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anarji. Now I'd request all our guests from Malaysia to kindly introduce yourself. And it would only be prudent that we start with Pradeep ji, who has been a great guiding factor to us.
Okay, namaskar everybody, and greetings from Malaysia. I'm very happy that we are taking one more step forward in this direction of our relationships and also building a business network. So regarding myself, and I think most of us, we are all Malaysian born Indians, almost all of us on this platform today, I think, except maybe one, Maheshji, I think so. The rest are all Malaysian born, I believe. We are second generation or even third generation here. So Malaysia has been our home. And I think you can be proud to say that most of the people who are on the screen today in this discussion and meeting are doing very well. And I think they will continue to do very well. And we can certainly build this relationship. As for me, like I said, Malaysian born, I've been in the business for last 35 years, right from hospitality to real estate to technology. We've got a diversified range of businesses, and all those here today are my very dear friends. So I hope that this will culminate into something very successful. And a special mention to a very senior person here, who is Dr. Rakkan Marimuthu, one of the most wonderful human beings you can find on this earth. And also my brother, Yutu Kumar, who is driving an agenda here in Malaysia regarding the economic empowerment for the Hindus to make us even more successful from what we are. And then we have also another very important person I want to recognize, that is Nivas Raghavan. Nivas is the Secretary General of a very important Chamber of Commerce here. And everyone else is very, very important. So do forgive me, but I think these people will be very much an anchor for what you are doing going forward. Yeah. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Pradeep ji. I'd like Dr. Rekin to please say a few words.
Thank you, Vyom. A very good day to all of our brothers and sisters in this forum. You can call me Rakkan. In Malay, Rakkan means friend. But the only difference is R-A-K-A-N is friend. I'm R-A-K-E-N. So indeed, I'm a friend to everybody. I want to thank Dato Ji for saying I'm a wonderful human being. It's God's grace that I have somebody like him to understand me. Thank you, Dato. Thank you very much for your kind word. Just for the info of our friends here, I did my bachelor's degree and master's degree in St. Joseph's College, Trichy. I was in St. Joseph's College for some time, and then I came back to Malaysia. And all my life, I've been an educationist. I've been the CEO of a few colleges. And towards the end of my career, I converted myself into a social worker and as a poet. And now I'm leading a business NGO where we have a network of 2,000 members. They're all entrepreneurs. And our focus is to help the micro entrepreneurs to become successful SMEs. It's a very big challenge that we have taken to transform this low income category of entrepreneurs to be leading a comfortable life for a short period, within a short period of time. I'm very delighted, indeed very happy that I'm invited to this forum. You can have our assurance that we will give you the best support in whatever way we are connected. People like me, we don't pretend to work, we really work. We don't pretend to cooperate, we really cooperate. We are serious in whatever we do. Now with that, let me pass back to the host. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rakanji. Thank you so much. I'd also like to say that Pradeep ji was being very modest, and he has been conferred the title of Dato in Malaysia, which is which is like equivalent to Padma Shri here in India. Correct me, Pradeep ji, if I'm wrong.
Yes, you are right.
And he has been doing a lot of social work, a lot of charity work in Malaysia. So we are really honored to have Pradeep ji, Rakan ji, U2G, and all you honorable guests amongst us over here. Thank you so much. I'll move forward to U2G. U2G, kindly introduce yourself.
Namaskar all. My name is Yutu Kumar. I've been doing all kinds of businesses, but my core is still construction equipments, do lifting. And I also do in consulting across ASEAN, including stuff like that. And today, my passion is developing people. We have a group called Antapurna Saga. We have 21 members, where most, except me and Dato Pradeep, the rest are below the age of 40. We are developing young entrepreneurs, basically Hindu. Not basically Hindus, not basically. And we have also now launched another group called Wanita Going Global. Wanita Going Global, in this, I just checked, we have about 216. In this case, not Hindus, but Indians, ladies, pure 100% ladies. Our objective is to bring their products and services to overseas. That was an objective, but when I started meeting them one by one, I realized they are far away from achieving that, because they are all doing products on a very small scale. So that's what we are currently doing. Our objective is to build these people, and at the same time, we have also started to develop our own commerce platform. And the reason why I think Suga is with me, is my colleague, with me to develop. We have hired some people to move. I think this is what's going to be relevant in the future e-commerce platform. So we've got this team coming together to design and to put the products of these 216 ladies into our platform and market them for them, because I think many of them from our meeting with them, they are not ready to go into marketing. They produce certain products, but they are, as far as marketing and sales are concerned, very far away. So this is what I am doing currently. Thank you so much. Namaskar.
Next, I'd like to ask Nivas ji to please give your quick introduction.
Hi, good evening, guys. I'm sorry, I'm not well, so I didn't want to on my camera. I hope you guys can pardon me. Well, a very good evening to both sides of the honorary dignitaries. I believe that Dato Pardeep has mentioned earlier that I'm the Honorary Secretary General of Kuala Lumpur and Selangor Indian Chamber of Commerce, the oldest Indian chamber in Malaysia. And I am looking forward to have a diplomatic relationship with all our Indian counterparts to boost the trade and investment for both sides of the country, to boost the businesses, to enhance our networking skills, and also we can share as much as possible our business exchanges. And looking forward for a lot of fruitful output hereafter this program today. Let's work together for the betterment of Malaysia and India. Thank you.
Definitely, Nivasi, we expect the same out of this. And I'd like to welcome Mike Muruganji to please quickly introduce yourself.
Hello, hi. Y'all can see me?
No, your video is off.
Video is off. Hang on. I can't on my video.
No
Okay,
worries.
now?
Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
No worries, Mike. Just go ahead. No worries.
Okay. I can see you, Mr. Pradeep. Okay, good evening, everyone. Mike here. I involved in the shipping and logistics and specialize into dangerous goods and project cargo. for the last 25 years. So at the moment, what I'm trying to do is I'm sharing my knowledge to any youngsters who wanted to pick up the shipping and logistics for free. Okay, I give free training for our people. My only aim I joined this group is to help our young generation to come into business and learn a proper way in order to do business. Okay, and then apart from that, whatever the information we have, rather than we just keep it to ourselves, we just share down to the down people who are coming up the ladder. Because as far as I'm concerned, I'm quite okay with what I have. So I'm just passing whatever information or knowledge I have to the new generation. So let them come up as well as what we have did so far. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mike ji. Next I'd like to welcome Mr. Mahesh Anand ji.
Namaste and good evening, everyone. Namaste, Pradeep ji, you too, Kumar brother, Vyom and everyone. Nice seeing everyone here. A lot of familiar faces. Very happy to see all the seniors here, guiding forces, mentors. And Vyom, actually, we met through Facebook and that's how we get connected. And very happy to be here that I'm actually from New Delhi, India, and in Malaysia now for 14 years, having restaurants and all. But now I was shifting my business model to frozen and ready-to-eat meals. So we have started developing patties, burger patties, ready-to-eat meals. And I'm also developing some samples now in India to go big scale. So I'll be to see that maybe some help required in the way of how we set up the channels, logistics and channels from import and export. I want to send a lot of product to India from here. Of course, I will only be in the food industry and also import Indian product into Malaysia. So mostly I'm also moving into now from pure vegetarian to vegan now, because that's the biggest trend currently in the food industry. And I'm also now partially vegan, not fully, completely thinking whether I should, because sometime, we are also, I'm connected to ISKCON. We have a lot of sevas for Lord Krishna, where milk is very important. And vegans hate the idea of milk in any way. So anyway, that's another story. So I'm shifting the focus there into the industry where food for import export, not only from India and Malaysia only, I'm looking at a full international market like UK, US, Australia, which is and Europe, where the purchasing power is there, and even the veganism is quite established in those countries. So if any help or assistance, I'll be looking forward to get connections and all this in India and even in other countries. Thank you very much for inviting me.
Definitely, Mahesh ji, we'd be more than happy to help, and this forum is created for such purpose only. Next, I'd like to welcome Mr. Perry to please introduce yourself.
Very good evening, Dr. Pradeep, Dr. Rakan, and Jaiswal, and all dignitaries from India and Malaysia. Nice meeting you all. Okay, my name is Perry, Perry Karpan. You can call me Perry. I'm born and a citizen of Malaysia. I'm a second generation. My parents are from India, Trichy, and I'm an OCI card holder. And we do have some property investment in India, Trichy, Tiruvallur, and we have done some property developments in India. And here, together with guidance from Dr. Pradeep and Dr. Rakan and Mr. Mike Murugan and Mr. Nara, we are trying to develop the young entrepreneurs in Malaysia. At the same time, to build the relationship with India, I'm seeing this group as a good platform to build the business in Malaysia and India. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Perry ji. Do we have Mr. Puri over here?
Yeah, Mr. Puri is busy. Hi, this is Anju Puri.
Hello,
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, hi. Hi, everyone. This is Anju Puri. I am really excited to hear all the legends here. Really like feeling lucky to hear everyone today. So basically, we are from Delhi, New Delhi, India. We are into rice business from India, and then later we started in Singapore and Malaysia. So Malaysia, we are doing retail stores, restaurants, and import and export this thing. So we are distributor also here, like very popular Indian brands like Haldiram, Britannia, MTR, and all few other. So it'll be a really great platform for us, like to meet you guys and get your blessings, and hopefully later we'll be having a very more business to help our all the Indians here, and hopefully from India part also we'll be getting all the help from you guys. Thank you so much.
Definitely. Thank you so much. Next, I'd like Mr. Suren to please speak up.
Hi, thanks, Vyom. And thank you, Dato Pradip, for inviting us to be a part of this. I'm here just to explore things. Okay, it's a pleasure, and it's nice to meet friends from India, especially the entrepreneurs. I hope we can learn from each another, and if things are better, maybe we can do some business collaboration. I'm here with the entrepreneur group as well, with Mr. Yutu Kumar there, basically working together and help each other in our own businesses. And I hope with this relationship, maybe we can help each other even into import, export, or maybe some business collaboration in India as well. Thank you, Vyom. Thank you, the others.
Do we have Indiran Lachman over here? I guess he was running late for the webinar. So is he here? No. Then we'll move to Mr. Murali.
Thank you, Vyom. Namaskar all. Yeah, I would like to thank you, Mr. Dato Pradip and Vyom. I'm from entrepreneur group as well, engaged by Mr. Yutu. So I am doing a few businesses. But anyhow, my core business is construction and building maintenance, mainly for elevator and escalators. So I'm into these groups, looking forward for great network opportunity between the Hindus from Malaysia and India. I'd like to explore more, as I'm one of the young entrepreneurs. That's all. Thank you.
I think Vyom has lost contact.
Yeah, yo.
Vyom, are you there?
While waiting for him, can we request the next person? Maybe Prasad can start.
Hi, namaskar to everyone. I probably be the biggest size person in this group, but probably as well I'm the smallest when it comes to business. So I'm a brand marketing trainer and consultant, and I've worked in few countries, especially as well as India. I'm also in midst of expanding my horizons into a online business school. So which is one of my biggest reasons why I'm part of this group. Of course, being part of the legends here like Dato Pradip, thank you very much for mentoring us, as well as together with you two. I think a great thing to be here. I'm glad to be here. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Vyom, hello everyone. Vyom has lost the connectivity. He will be back in just a few minutes. By that time, let's introduce Suganta. Suganta.
Vanakkam, namaste. My name is Sugananda.
Okay. Welcome, sir.
Okay, I'm currently acting as a business development manager for a facade maintenance company along with Dr. Yutu Kumar here. And together with him, currently we are developing an e-commerce platform. So this is our current activities. And I would like to thank to Dato Pradip and also Dr. Yutu Kumar and everyone here to allow us to have a good opportunity to network and also have a good business opportunity and all that. Thank you.
Great. Welcome, sir. The next is Ujwal Mehta. Is he there? Ujwal Mehta?
No, I think he did not come here.
Okay, then the next is Jitesh Shah.
He's also not here.
Is Jitesh Shah here?
No, he's not here, ma'am.
Okay, then the next is Sounder.
Yeah, good evening, everybody. I'm
Yes,
Sounder
yes.
from Tamil Nadu. Actually, we are running e-commerce company like digital marketing, as well as we are in the organization of the IEEE, Institute of Aviation and Astronomy and Aerospace. We are taking care of the development of the drone technology in Tamil Nadu. Thanks for offering to us. Thank you.
Great, great. Now, anybody? Yes, Yom is here. Wonderful. He's at the right time.
So what did I miss exactly? There was an electricity outage over here. So
that is right.
Okay.
So have we gone through the introductions or?
Yes, yes, we have finished the introduction up till Sounder. Yes, Mr. Sounder.
Yeah.
So,
I think Resh has not introduced himself.
Hi, Vanakkam. Thank you, Dato and Dr. Yutu Kumar to invite me to this event, so-called event, Zoom event. And I'm a physiotherapist. I'm running my own physiotherapy center, and I'm from Entrepreneur Saga Group. Mentored by Dr. Yutu Kumar and also Dato Pradeep, and looking forward for more collaboration. Thank you.
I think Brother Nara also not introduced yet.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Humble pranams to Dr. Pradeep, Dr. Rakan, and to all our good friends here and in India. I'm from Kuala Lumpur. Just to let you know, my parents came from Kerala way back in 1920s to Malaysia. And I am a business coach, consultant, trainer, and run my own accounting firm. And similarly, I am also with Dr. Rakan as the Training Bureau Director for SWIBA. And we look forward to be enablers for the businessmen, whether it's small, medium, or large. And we certainly look forward to great collaborations with our businessmen and ladies from India and in Malaysia. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Naraji. Do we have anyone who is still left with the introduction part? Prasad? I guess we are done with the introductions and we'll now move forward. So I'll give you a more brief about our organization. We started off in India and we have a pan-India presence of 15,000 people, more than 15,000 members, including startups, businessmen, lawyers, CAs, investment bankers, and people from all walks of life. And we have chapters in each state. So Anergy is handling our Gujarat state. And similarly, we have chapters in each state. And now we have expanded globally. We have our chapters in USA, in Canada, in Europe, in African region. We have started in Asia Pacific, and we are starting a chapter in Australia. And soon enough, I hope with your blessings, to start another chapter in Malaysia. This takes us to the vision and mission part. So the vision of the organization has certainly been Atmanirbhar Bharat. And taking it a step ahead, Atmanirbhar Bharat, we want to enable not only Bharatiyas living in India, but our Indians, NRIs, our OCIs living globally. So this is what we are aiming at. Our mission has been strengthening the MSME and startup ecosystem by bridging the gap between MSMEs and the government. We are closely working with the government. We are closely working with MSME Ministry, with Ministry of External Affairs. We are connecting and collaborating with global economy. We want to bring like-minded NRIs and OCIs to our platform. And we want to connect NRIs and OCIs to relevant people, not only in India, but globally. So for example, we have, as I told you, we have our chapters in other countries as well. So if someone from Malaysia, he wants to invest or he wants to expand his business to India or maybe to other countries, we'll connect you to the relevant person in those countries. Or someone, say from USA, wants to invest in Malaysia, he wants to expand his business to Malaysia, we'll connect him to the relevant people in Malaysia. So this is what we are looking at. Our objective, as conveyed by our vision and mission, has been networking between India and globally to enable trade and commerce, facilitating investment and funding. We have a large pool of large database of MSMEs and startups here in India, and we have a large pool of investors as well, both in India and globally. So we'll be connecting the right investors, the right startups to each other. And for continuous growth, we are looking for a vision. We'll be focusing on regular webinars or at least regular communication via WhatsApp and other social media, so that we can, this movement doesn't fizzle. So what are the suggested next steps? We will be forming office bearers as
Excuse me, Vyom. I would like to request all participants kindly mute and accept Vyom to unmute himself. Can all participants please mute? There's some interference. Thank you. Sorry, Vyom.
I think Anju's phone is not Anju's phone.
Vyom can mute the phone, everyone's phone. Yeah.
Is it fine now?
Yeah. Mm.
Okay, perfect. So we will be starting with office bearers both at national level and state level in Malaysia. The office bearers selected on a national level will be coordinating with us, while those at the state level will be coordinating and communicating with the national level office bearers. We want to expand, and so we need to have as many members as possible in each of these chapters. Then again, as we said, we'll be having a networking forum. We are in process of building a portal. Our portal is under development, and once the portal is online, so things will be a lot easier. The other thing is that for the next webinar, we'll conduct a webinar, maybe a much bigger one, once we form a team of office bearers in Malaysia. So that's it from my side. And now I'd request everyone to, whoever has any queries, any questions, so he can feel free to please go ahead and ask. Pradeep ji, would you like to say something?
No, I'm fine. I will request my brother Yutu Kumar to maybe lead the discussion on this. Yutuji? I have a very easy, what you call, exit clause all the time. I just push everything into Kumar.
I'm surprised. I didn't see it coming. Anyway, I think it is a good start. Like I said, we have two group of teams that we have. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, sorry about that. So we have like last slightly more than maybe slightly less than a year, we started this Entrepreneur Saga group. Yeah, entrepreneur means it's from the Sanskrit word. Tato has put in the chat group that entrepreneur. We discovered it later. It means entrepreneur. So the whites has taken that and turned that name, used that. So we formed this group Entrepreneur Saga. We have, like I said, 21 members. We're doing our best to develop them to become entrepreneurs. So this is, we can also kind of build the same idea in, if you like, to develop young entrepreneurs in each country. We can have senior, I don't know, this is just a suggestion. We can develop these young entrepreneurs But the other one that I have now discovered is, especially in Malaysia, there's a lot of very hungry, very passionate ladies who wants to do something in their life. Yeah, I'm the thorn in the group. 216, I'm leading. The 260 women, fortunately or unfortunately, I'm there. So I'm leading these women to drive them to become entrepreneurs, and they are like, there is actually one lady who the last 6 months has exported 16, 20 foot, 40 foot container, I can't, something like that, about 20 foot containers from Malaysia to in places that we have never heard before. Yap Islands. Have you heard a place called Yap Island?
No.
Yeah, I have never heard before. And and places like Micronesia. Yeah, so we have we've seen there are people, our Indian people are doing things, but what we need is to coordinate, bring them together. And then this is where I realized that I need to start building this e-commerce platform, because these ladies have products that can be exported, but we need to do packaging. We need to teach them how to especially packaging and start branding their stuffs and things like this. So this is what we are doing from this part. In fact, I've spoken to Dato previously that I wanted to have this import-export. There's a name I created, Vatnation or something, through virtual, because we have, I think we did a entrepreneur get together about virtually about 3 months ago to bring entrepreneurs together. So whatever you're doing is an expansion of whatever we have already started. We love India. I love India. I'm passionate about India. I'm more than happy to be able to work together with you and with our brothers and sisters from around the world who are enterprising, besides also developing our Sanatana Dharma at the same time. That's our #1 agenda, is to focus on Sanatana Dharma. The byproduct of Sanatana Dharma for us, especially me and Pradeep ji, is to develop entrepreneurs, because that's where we need to develop our people in terms of economic empowerment. And you know why we need to do this, because of all the conversion that's happening today around the world. Is because of one main reason, core reason, is because of economic situation. And this is one way to stop those things from happening, is to empower our Hindus to be financially strong, for a lack of a better word. And what other way than to develop entrepreneurs in each country? So we have started this in Malaysia. I'm sure we can expand that across other countries around. Yeah, that's my take on that. Any questions you'd like to ask? Any questions?
No, we are completely in sync with what you are saying, and I had a long discussion with Pradeep ji regarding this, and I guess everyone over here in this platform, we are of the same mindset, and yeah, we will be focusing on these things. And as you said, so every time we talk to people from different nations, so this is what is very interesting part, that we always get to learn new things. So for example, when you talked about Micronesia or Yap Island, so every time we learn something new. And this is what we are looking at, because when we know about something new, then we will definitely research on it, and it opens a lot of new possibilities, a lot of new opportunities for everyone over here. So this is what we are actually aiming at. And yes, anything else if you'd want to convey to our members over here?
Well, Vyom, can I intervene in between?
Sure, Piyush, you're most welcome.
I would like to say a few words on what Kumar ji has said. So far, the women empowerment is concerned in India. You can see that we are representative in the international level are two women, Anand Mehta ji and Achila ji. Achila ji is representing a very difficult area. You can understand that our Honorable Prime Minister has this time 7 women ministers in our cabinet. So that way, the women empowerment, so far India is concerned, we are always open, and we would welcome the women from that country and our country to proceed to mix with each other, to grow the business. Not only business, we have a very deep culture, we have a deep heritage, and that way also bilaterally we can develop. And so far our vision is concerned, the vision of our MSME forum, we are a platform in India and abroad for micro, small and medium enterprises, or the MSMEs as we call, startups, entrepreneurs, all the businesses, professionals. And our ultimate goal is to facilitate development and growth of MSME and startups in almost all the countries, not only in India. We have our forum chapter in US, there they call it minorities. We have in South Africa. And since we have chapters in almost all the part of the country and then overseas also. So through us, lot of negotiation is possible, you see. This has become a very big platform with a membership of 15,000 plus people, and we expect the membership to grow to 1 lakh by the end of the year. So we will have a very big network. So if somebody from your country, like Malaysia or any other country, wants to interact with any person anywhere in the world, I think through networking, we will be able to provide a platform. So that for that purpose, we are coming closer. One thing is the bilateral relations between India and Malaysia. And then again, not only that, we will be able to give a platform globally also. So that trust we want to develop. Since we are in India and you all are NRIs, PIOs, you are natives of India. So we can together have trust. And with that trust, we can progress together. Our community, because I also represent BJP, many, even our founder president is from BJP. Chauthai Balaji is, you can know, he is our chief patron. He is looking after the international affairs. So we all have in mind that we have to review, and then culturally also, that we have to look into. Thank you.
Achla ji has been a silent listener so far, but I guess she's wanting to say something. So Achla ji, kindly.
Yeah, it's namaste. It's so much interesting talks are going on that I have to say something. Thank you so much, Vyomji, for allowing me to interact with the Malaysian team. And recently I have joined as a director of Middle East International Relations. Middle East is a hub where everyone wants to invest, and from Middle East everyone wants to invest in India also. So you understand how much important that area is. And I was just listening with Yutu Kumar and Pradeep ji, the kind of initiative Yutu Kumar ji is doing under leadership of Pradeep ji. I'm sorry if I'm going wrong, but I really have a personal interest in kind of a thing where women empowerment is being focused. I'm sure Anaji must be with me in this particular sector. So I would definitely like to, currently I'm being making strategies and planning how to promote the forum and a kind of a team building in particular Middle East. So I just need some time, but would love if he could share the details of that particular the forum and the organization on my email ID to me and to Anaji. So we would definitely love to make those ladies to come forward and do the work. That's what I want to say. That's it from my side.
Wonderful.
Very fine.
By the inspire you ladies, the one who's sending these containers to Micronesia and Yap Island is a lady. So someone who's sending off about 2-3 containers of stuff from Malaysia to places like this. So that should be inspiring to the ladies. Yeah.
So are there any more questions, or else we can wrap up the meeting?
Nivas, you like to say something, Nivas? And Rakanji, maybe to see how this can be taken to the next level?
Well, Dato, I've been hearing both sides of the counterparts sharing their ideas. I think hereafter in the MSME group, everybody have to actually put what are their areas of expertise, and we can have overlapping of business interests with each other, and then take it to the next level. Dato.
Thank you.
Dato, thank you very much for asking me to say a few words, Dato. One of my observations in the history of these associations related to commerce, it has been some kind of a sectarian or a clan commerce. Now, my appeal to our friends in this forum is study ways and means of bringing in people from different parts of India. I realized that the Gujaratis are business people per se, and we need a kind of a cooperation between business people from Tamil Nadu, from Andhra, from whatever states in India, and also from Malaysia. That will make our business connectivity or network more effective. In Malaysia also, we have the same problem. We have business organizations, they have their own, boundaries, and we are now trying to penetrate those boundaries to open up, to have common communities with common interests for the welfare of the majority. We agree that doing business with people of your mother tongue is an advantage, but with the modern era, that we have to move further up so that we can do business with everybody. I want to see a Gujarati doing business with a Tamil Nadu man doing business with a Maharashtra doing business with Malaysia. So if this forum could find a strategy and a course of action to bring in people from different parts of the country, it will be beautiful. I'm very happy to hear that you have 15,000 members, and I'm sure that membership is an indication of the fact that you have opened the gate to everybody. And it is the role of everybody to take the opportunity to build a business by networking with everybody. Now, with that comment, I hope that in the next session, I will inform as many people as possible from Malaysia, from different parts of Malaysia, so that we all have a better window, we all have a better option to interact with as many people as possible without clan barrier, or without culture barrier, or without language barrier, or any other barrier. For the sake of communication, we all can speak English. That is good enough. That is my observation, Yumel and Pius and Datoji. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Rakanji. Point very well taken. And as I told you initially that we have 15,000 members pan-India. So we have chapters in all the states you mentioned, and even in, often ignored states like the northeast part of India. So we have to be working towards that. And
excellent.
Thank you so much. So any other questions, Pradeep ji, or any other dignitaries over here?
Vyom, if I may just add something. And I want to compliment to what Dr. Rakan mentioned. I think his idea is strength from diversity. And I think he drives home a very good point, because we need organic strength. And with that diversity, I think we will get that organic strength. So I think that he's actually brought up a very good point. May I also suggest something? I saw your mission, and I think the mission has been crafted very nicely. I would want to suggest that perhaps the next meeting may also see a kind of roadmap. That means just now I was mentioning about MSMEs and also large. So we need to see MSMEs and how they transition to the large. so that they will be able to weather the storms of the economic cycle. Otherwise, you find that most MSMEs somewhere around, after the 5 years and the 10 years, they fall into a trough. And the other part of it also is, I think we should think about building the businesses so that the next generation, that means our next generation, would be interested, would be willing, and also would want to participate in those businesses. This we can see in many other Eastern cultures. I think there are many large corporations in India and perhaps also in Malaysia that the children do take over the business, but I think 90 to 95% don't. It's either sold or transitioned to somebody else. So maybe that should be also the next opportunity that we should think of. So what do we want to see in terms of a roadmap, in terms of a pipeline, and what is the end goal? It's a long-term plan, but I think that should be something which should be woven into the mission. Thank you.
I completely agree, Narji. Actually, I have been working with a lot of colleges and universities over here, and we have been nurturing a lot of startups, and we have been mentoring startups through entrepreneur development cells of those colleges. So yes, the problem that you mentioned is actually there on the ground, that MSMEs transitioning to larger businesses have always been a problem, and more so over in these critical times where pandemic has hit the economy so bad. So we'd have to look at that aspect as well. And yes, we will work on that part.
Thank you.
Pradeep ji, would you like to say something?
No, I'm good. Thank you very much. It's been a very good start. So we look forward to this going one step further. And I always tell my colleagues, let's always take baby steps, because eventually all these baby steps put together will be a huge stride. So don't be shy to do little strides at a time, little baby steps at a time.
Yeah, that's good.
So I guess we will wrap up this meeting now. And after this meeting, we'll get back to the drawing board, Piyush Bhaiya, Anarji, Pradeep ji, and we'll sit and we'll discuss on how to take this forward and how to, select the office bearers, how to increase our presence, and how to strengthen our association. So I guess it has been a very interesting meeting, and hoping to have another one soon enough where we will be announcing our office bearers formally. Thank you so much, everyone. Namaste.
Thank you.
Thank you. Namaste.
Thank you, everyone. Good evening and good night.
Vanakkam. Good night.
Good night.